In this video, you'll learn how to create an OKX wallet account. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional wallet for managing your cryptocurrency transactions. Start by locating its application on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, visit your device's app store to download the OKX app. Once the installation is complete, tap the app icon to open it. After the app launches, look for the option labeled Wallet Account on the main screen. This section is where you'll manage your cryptocurrency assets. Tap on Wallet Account to proceed to the next step in the wallet creation process. Next, you will see a prompt with the option to create wallet. Tap on this option to begin the wallet setup. It is important to choose create new wallet rather than import to ensure you are setting up a new account. You will now be presented with the terms and conditions. It is crucial to read through these terms carefully. Once you've reviewed the information, you need to accept the terms by tapping the appropriate button to continue. Following that, you will be asked to set a name for your wallet. For easy reference, choose a name that you will remember, as this will help you identify your wallet later. After entering the name, tap Next to move forward. Now, you will be prompted to secure your wallet with a recovery phrase or seed phrase, which consists of 12 to 24 words. It is essential to write this phrase down on paper in the exact order presented. Avoid taking screenshots, as this can compromise your wallet's security. Once you've recorded the phrase, tap Next to verify it. During the verification process, you will be asked to enter the words of your recovery phrase in the correct order. This step confirms that you have accurately noted down your phrase. After successfully entering the words, tap Verify to continue. The next step involves setting a password or PIN for your wallet. This password will be necessary for sending cryptocurrency or accessing your wallet in the future. Ensure that it is secure yet memorable. Once you have created your password, you can finalize the setup. Congratulations, your OKX wallet is now created. You can start receiving, sending, and storing cryptocurrency immediately. Make sure to keep your recovery phrase and password secure, as they are essential for accessing your wallet in the future.